Hello everyone, welcome to another day of my life. It's almost 6 p.m. so I would say evening of my life, and we are vlogging again. So those who don't know, I am traveling to Bangalore coming Sunday and I'm super excited. I'm going there for more than a month. I'm going to meet my sister-in-law Neha, who's there. We are very close. Her husband is there, my best friends are there, so I'm looking forward to having a lot of fun there. So I need to start packing and I don't know what I should pack for a month. So I don't want to pack too heavy also. Wow, look at my curls. I washed my hair today and I used my Requil conditioner. Requil is not sponsoring this video. I wish they did, but I love it anyways. Coming back to the point, so I need to make a list. So I'm going to sit and make a list first about the things that I need to carry. I'm not going to carry too much ghar ka kapra because wherever I stay I'm going to just steal their clothes and wear them. I just need some smart packing to do. So I'll first make that list. Meanwhile, also I am having my coffee. You see, this is such a cool flask. If you touch it, it tells me the temperature that is there inside the flask. I got this from my office and it's really cool. So I have my coffee inside that and I am having some chocolate along with it. Really enjoying this Ditch the Glitch company's chocolates, really good. So let's start the planning and then come along with me while I pack. Okay, let's go. So guys, I have my suitcases out and these are the clothes I'm packing. Let me quickly give you a brief of what I have taken out. This is just a jacket, a kind of sweatshirt and sweatpants just in case I need them, you never know. I have taken just 2 shorts and 1 top just to wear at home, nothing much. Dresses, I just took this pale pink color one. The tag is still attached to this one. Actually, I haven't even worn it till now. This is from Urbanic. The next one is a very summery sleeveless dress, just a summer dress, simple one. The next one is a little party kind of dress in case I go out, and this red one is actually a skirt. And then I have an oversized t-shirt, some tank tops, a few more tops, shirt and 2 shorts. I ended up taking the light blue shorts. and black one, and these are just full pants, very comfortable pants. This is my go-to jeans, this is a brown trousers, this is a cotton striped pant, very comfortable. And then I actually have to take this dress as well, but one of the straps is broken, so I need to get that repaired within these next 2-3 days. This is a nice, again, summer dress, long dress. I've taken this belt to wear with this dress, a pair of socks, some sanitary pads just in case I need them. I'm going to be there for a month, so of course I'm going to need them. Some swimsuits because I am really planning to go swimming, a sarong, and my sunglasses, and some gym wear because I'm going to continue doing my yoga there and maybe hit the gym sometimes, I don't know. And for footwear, I have just taken these nude heels because nude goes with everything. Then one pair of canvas, one pair of white sports shoes I am going to wear to the airport, so yeah, I don't have to pack that. And these daily ka chappals, my go-to chappals which I wear on every trip. So I think I'm going to distribute my clothes into these two suitcases. The small one I can give it as a cabin luggage, and the big one I'll just check in, and I'll have my laptop bag anyways. So yeah, I still have to pack my skincare and makeup and some jewelry, but skincare anyways I'll pack a day before because I'm going to need them anyways daily. Makeup we are going to pack now, and jewelry I'm really tired. I think I'll think about that tomorrow and just pack something random. So yeah, come with me. I'm so tired, but we have to do this today.
Hey guys, it's the next morning. I actually got really tired yesterday, so I gave up. And it's 8:30 now in the morning. I have my yoga now, and after that we will pack our makeup. Okay, let's go.
So that's it guys, my makeup also is packed, my clothes and shoes are packed. Skincare I'm going to pack a day prior to my flight. And thank you so much for giving me company. Thank you for coming along with me in my packing journey in these 2 days. So hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.